When you switch your help desk system, be ready to make a plan. Let's take a look at how to migrate to Gorgias. First, you must turn off automation rules before the migration process. Then you can start your Gorgias Demo Migration. Log in with your Migration Wizard account or create one. Then choose your source platform. Our app will ask you to fill in the needed credentials or sign in with your source account. After that, connect Gorgias as your target platform. You need the URL of your company's Gorgias account, email address, and API key. Then define the help desk data you want to transfer. Note that our app doesn't migrate the knowledge base records automatically. Contact the support team for customization. If you choose agents, match them. Click on Match Items to map agents. You can also add the missing agent or pick up the default agent on Gorgias. After that, map ticket fields. You can only map default fields. Map fields carefully to maintain data relations. Then choose the needed automated options. The available automated options depend on your source and target platforms. Finally, press Continue to start demo migration. Our tool moves 20 random tickets from your current help desk to Gorgias during this data transfer. As soon as your demo migration finishes, you will see a table with 4 columns. All available records. Migrated records. Failed records. Skipped records. Look through the results by downloading reports on migrated, failed, and skipped records. If everything migrated correctly, choose the suitable support option and proceed to payment. Now you can launch the full data migration.